Okay then, time to run the second part, the option 2. And for the option 2, we will need the macro called this. As I told you before, this is preferable and we should do that to get an area size estimation. So I have a folder which is empty and it will be filled in a while. And this trash folder is a folder where the new white background images will be created, because these images will be created again as in the previous script, but we don't really need these ones. So I will just put them in this folder once they're created and I will then get rid of them. What we're going to do here is that we will try to spot our maximum value, which is this, at least in my example, and we will change it to the maximum value that a 16-bit image can take in terms of pixel value, and this is that value. After we do that, we will create a mask to separate our segmented part from the background, and we will practically include everything which is -1. This way, we're reducing the risk of miscalculating the area size. It's way more precise in some occasions. In others, it doesn't really play a role. But it is safer to go that way, and you should go that way. Okay. I'm going to process but macro. First of all, always, we delete this part. For the input, it's right, but I will do it again, so just that you can see. I am placing again the BLAC for resized images, and for the output, I'm selecting the truss. Now that I've done that, I want to open my macro. Here it is. And as I mentioned before, I'm gonna change this value to what I had, and the rest is already changed here. If you don't have 16-bit images, then you will have to Google and see, or if you know by heart, just do the calculation, and see what is your maximum value, and you should set the maximum value of your image here and a -1 of your maximum value here. But I'm not done yet. I also have to change the path where the results will be saved, and in my case, the only thing that changes, you can also see again from the path here, right? The only thing that changes is this part. Be very careful with the slashes and the symbols. If you mess something, then it's not going to work anymore. But now it should be fine, so let's try. And again, as you can see, it's running. We'll give it some time. I'm just trying to buy time, but it's very obvious. And yeah. Let's see how far we are. Seems that it's done already, which is good. So in the trash, you would see something similar to what we had. I'm not sure if it will be exactly the same though, because now we have some changed values which might affect the network later. So I would recommend that you never use this one, the trash, all right? It's trash, and what you only need from here is the area size too. And there might be differences or not. For example, here we have an estimation of the area for the first one. And if you see the estimation of the area, oops, okay, it was same name. But I suspect that there might be like slight differences in the estimation of the area. In any case, you use the mean gray value only for the mean and the area size only for the area. Apart from it, the Excel files should be quite similar. Nice, we've completed step 13 and now we're going to move forward.